That being said, everybody on this side, this is Yvonne. Say hi, Yvonne.
Hi, Yvonne.
Awesome. Thanks. Yvonne is going to lead you through this red door. She's also a guide, so if you want to ask her questions, you can. If you want her to help with photos, she can do that as well. You're in great hands, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks, Yvonne.
Pasok na kami sa bahay.
Yung bahay namin.
Pasok mo tour, house tour. Hi, it's a house tour. Video. Wow. Ay, salamat yung lilipatan natin.
Pasok ko sa bed.
Picture?
No, stop it.
Hoy, sabi yung mga paa niyo, huwag yung i-market dyan. Nakakasap na pala. Kala ko ba nakikinig kayo?
Yang.
Ang ganda na.
Yang.
Kuya touch, tinatch ko, pero yan eh.
Ha?
Yan.
Real nga. Tingnan mo. Tay, gusto niyo po ng pie? Libre ko na po. Yung, ano pa pinagagagawa mo? Mainit yan, totoo yan.
Meron bang pizza?
Ang cute, oh.
Ano kayang...
Book recipe, baka gusto nyo. Dough cake.
Talong. Ito po tayo dumapat.
Paminta nyo to. Ay, wala na.
Yes.
Tara doon tayo sa lamesa.
Yes.
Yung! Tara, Rio!
Dito kasi sweetie.
Rio!
Yang.
Mawala tayo usog. Mawala usog. Yung! Leo, dito. Sino picture? Ate Danalyn, picture.
Wait.
Ito lang pindutin mo, Teo. Ito lang.
Yang, sit down kami dyan.
I have a bite of bread.
Yo.
Sit down.
It was for me.
Sila muna.
Yang. Yo.
Oh my God.